Did you know that your beach body isn't built in a gym? It's built in the kitchen. In fact, up to 80% of your results come from nutrition, not how many workouts you cram into your week. Hi, I'm Carmina Mevs, the Slim Down Success Coach. I help perimenopausal women, stress eaters, and frustrated yo yo dieters fuel their bodies and reset their metabolism without diets or deprivation so they can feel energized, confident, and healthy at any size. But most women get this completely backwards, especially during perimenopause. Yeah. Because they think, well, I just need to push myself harder. I need to burn more calories or I need to earn my food. So what do? Well, they eat less, they work out more, they hustle hard, right? And then they burn out. They feel drained, frustrated, and the belly fat, it's still there. Here's what they don't know and that no one is telling them. Over exercising creates stress. Stress raises your cortisol levels, and cortisol tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your belly. So, the very thing you're doing to lose the weight, it's the thing that's making it harder to lose it in the first place. But there is a better way. It's called holistic nutrition. It's not about restriction, it's about supporting your body at the root level so that it wants to let go of the extra weight, not holding on to it for protection. And the key to making it work, well, is we got to address what I call the him factor: hormonal imbalance, chronic inflammation, and metabolic adaptation. When you fix that, you lose weight without starving yourself in the process. You feel strong without overtraining, right? You don't have to suffer through the process. You finally stop fighting your body every step of the way, trying to submit it into releasing that extra weight. Do you want to learn how? Well, I'm teaching it all inside my free and live holistic nutrition workshop. This isn't another eat clean and exercise more pep talk. It's a 4-step roadmap with real strategies for real women who are done with the extremes. So register now by clicking the link below this video. No more guessing, no more overdoing it. Let's get your body working with you again. I'll see you on the other side.